Visitors to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park are being urged to stay far away from Halemaumau Crater after an explosion over the weekend. Marissa Yamane joins us with more on the dangers. Marissa?
Joe, there was a big explosion on Saturday night at the summit, sent molten lava and rocks onto the rim of Halemaumau Crater, even destroyed some of this equipment. Now, take a look at this photo of the crater taken right after the explosion. Park rangers said fragments of volcanic rock lit up the night sky, even rained down on his patrol car. Fortunately, no one was hurt. But you know, this type of explosion is actually common at the summit, which is why areas near the crater have been closed since 2008. But officials say that hasn't stopped people from trespassing and getting dangerously close.
This explosive eruption that happened Saturday night, it really further exemplifies the fact that these closures that we do in the national park are in the interest of public safety and for a good reason. If anybody had been in the area at that time, they could have been killed or seriously injured or burned. And so, you know, despite this closure, people, you know, sometimes continue to trespass into this closed area to get an up-close view of the lava lake, and they really put themselves and our first responders at great risk.
The explosion on Saturday night lasted for about 30 minutes. About an hour after it stopped, rangers say they actually cited 2 people for sneaking into the closed area. Park officials say they won't reopen the closed areas until the eruptions stop at Halemaumau Crater. Marissa Yamane, KHON 2 News.